In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file. 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. You can either search for Windows 10 ISO download or directly visit the Microsoft website. On the Microsoft website, locate Download Tool Now button. This tool is called the Media Creation Tool, designed to help you create your installation media for Windows 10. Once the tool is downloaded, run it by double-clicking on the downloaded file. When the tool launches, you'll see a license agreement. Read through it and accept it. Next, you'll be asked what you want to do. Select the option that says Create Installation Media for another PC and click Next. On the next screen, you'll need to choose the language, edition, and architecture like 32-bit or 64-bit for the Windows 10 ISO file you want to download, and make your selection accordingly, then click Next. Now, you'll be asked if you want to download the ISO file. Select the ISO file and click Next. The tool will prompt you to choose a location to save the file. Select an appropriate location and click Save. The Media Creation tool will now begin downloading the Windows 10 ISO file to the location you specified. Wait for it, and then you will find the ISO file downloaded in the destination you provided. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.